Chosen one, it is all coming together for you. Just wait. I know you are exhausted. I know you have looked at the scattered pieces of your life recently and wondered if you are destined to watch everyone else win while you remain stuck in the waiting room. But you are not here by accident. A higher intelligence guided you to these exact words because your season of delay is officially expiring. Here is the truth you need to hear. What looks like absolute chaos to you right now is actually divine reorganization. You thought the universe was turning against you when friendships faded and doors closed, but it was forcefully removing everything that could not survive in the frequency of your next season. The delay is not a punishment. It is protection. Right now in the unseen realm, pieces are moving. The universe is aligning the right people and the exact right timing just for you. Do not settle for the bronze medal when the gold is already in transit. Stay with me until the very end, because I am going to reveal exactly why this wait was necessary and the specific breakthrough that is about to drop into your life. By the end of our time together today, you will not just have a new perspective. You will receive a specific, actionable framework to stop self-sabotaging your divine timing. And you will understand an ancient truth that will immediately relieve the heavy burden you have been carrying. Type "I trust the timing" in the comments if you needed that validation today. I want you to imagine a scene for a moment. Imagine standing at a busy train station. Every few minutes a train arrives. The doors open, people get on, the whistle blows, and they leave for their destinations. But your ticket does not match any of them. So you sit down on a cold bench. You watch others progress. You watch them move forward with their lives. And as the station slowly empties out, you start feeling a deep, quiet panic that the universe simply forgot you, that your train is never coming. But you have not been forgotten. You are just waiting for a different kind of transport. There are specific symptoms manifesting in your life right now that prove this shift is happening. The first sign you will notice is that you have lost all tolerance for superficial environments. Things that used to entertain you now drain you. You can no longer engage in small talk or pretend to fit into spaces that require you to shrink. Your spirit is literally rejecting anything that lacks depth. The second confirmation is a strange underlying peace amidst external chaos. If you look at your life strictly on paper, things might seem like they are falling apart. The pressure is high, yet deep down in your spirit, there is a quiet anchor holding you, a whisper telling you that everything is actually going to be okay, even if you cannot see the evidence yet. The third indicator shows up when you feel most doubtful, just when you are about to give up, just when you ask the universe if you are making a mistake. You start seeing repeating numerical patterns. These are not random coincidences. They are mile markers placed on your path by your higher self to keep you walking when you are walking in the dark. And the fourth pattern is perhaps the most painful. It is the sudden, unexplainable exit of people you thought were permanent. People you loved, people you supported, suddenly drifting away or causing conflict that forces a separation. Their exit was not an abandonment. It was an eviction notice served by the universe to protect your space. They could not come with you to where you are going. But there is a specific reason why you are feeling this intense isolation right now, and it has to do with what is happening in your physical mind. I am naming this early because I do not want to build mystery just to sell you something at the end. Let me be direct about what exists so you can decide whether to stay for the full picture. The exhaustion you feel from waiting isn't just spiritual. It has physically drained your neural pathways. You have been in a state of hypervigilance for so long that your brain is exhausted. There is a tool designed specifically to address this. It is called the Genius Song. It uses specific brain entrainment technology measured by EEG to reactivate your gamma frequency. That is the exact frequency that allows you to surrender without anxiety and process the heavy weight of your calling. If your spirit already tells you this is the tool you need for this waiting season, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Do not rush. Stay for the full message if you want the context of why this works. For those staying, let me show you exactly what is being built in the dark while you wait. That mental fog and that isolation you are feeling happens because you are trying to figure out a divine puzzle using human anxiety. You are looking at the clock, wondering why the hands are not moving. Let me give you a piece of ancient wisdom that will completely reframe your wilderness season. Look at the original Hebrew word kava. In most sacred texts, when you read a verse about waiting, the original word used is kava. Modern languages translate it simply as wait, but in its rawest, most ancient form, kava does not mean to stand still at a bus stop. It means to bind together, to twist like a cord. Your waiting is not a passive delay, it is an active process. Right now, the universe is taking the threads of your life. It is taking your past pain, your current resources, your hidden talents, and the people you have not even met yet. It is pulling all these separate threads and twisting them together, binding them into a thick, unbreakable cord. You are not being delayed, you are being woven. Think about the story of David. As a young boy, he was anointed to be king. The sacred oil was poured over his head. The ultimate promise was spoken over his life. He had the title, he had the destiny. But what happened next? He did not march to the palace and sit on the throne. He was sent right back to the dusty fields to watch sheep. He spent years in the wilderness, running, hiding in caves, feeling hunted and alone. But the anointing did not bypass the waiting. The waiting was the anointing at work. The wilderness was the exact training ground required to build the character that could handle the heavy weight of the crown. If he had taken the throne on day one, the pressure would have crushed him. Before this continues, gently press the like button. Not for me, but so this message of hope reaches another chosen one who feels forgotten in their wilderness tonight. Let your action be a beacon for someone else in the dark. Now that you know what is happening underground, let me reveal the 3 specific areas of your life that are about to drastically reorganize. Let me tell you about a man who was sitting exactly where you are right now, just 9 months ago. He was facing a total, unexplained collapse of his career. A major contract he had been relying on, the very foundation of his security, was suddenly cancelled without warning. Everything he had built was stripped away in an afternoon. But instead of panicking, instead of sending desperate emails or trying to force a closed door back open, he chose silence. He practiced the ancient concept of kava we just talked about. He adjusted his frequency and bound his trust to the divine timing. He sat in the profound discomfort of not knowing how he was going to survive. And then on day 38 of his waiting season, a company he had never even contacted reached out to him. They offered him a contract worth double what he had lost. He proved himself in silence before he promoted himself in public. That same invisible reorganization is happening for you right now, and it is unfolding in 3 specific areas of your life. The first area shifting is your relationships. You are going to notice good people quietly leaving your life. This is often the hardest part of the shift to understand, because these are not your toxic enemies. These are people you care deeply about. But good is the enemy of God ordained. The universe is actively creating a vacuum around you. When someone pulls away, do not try to fill that empty space with your anxiety. Do not send that long, emotional text message trying to hold on to a connection that has naturally expired. Let them go. The space they leave behind is absolutely required for the soul family that is actively searching for you right now. The second area is your purpose. Right now you might feel completely directionless. You might wake up feeling a heavy mental fog, questioning what you are even supposed to be doing with your time on this earth. I want to reassure you that this feeling of emptiness is actually a blank slate. The universe has erased your old mission because your spiritual capacity has expanded. You are being given a completely new assignment. When you finally step into what I call destiny's embrace, you will realize every delay was a detour away from disaster. You were being kept still, so you would not walk blindly into a battle you were not equipped to fight yet. The third area is your provision. The resources, the finances, and the open doors you need for this next chapter. are being prepared in places you are not even looking. You are staring intensely at the front door, expecting your breakthrough to knock exactly how you imagined it, while the divine is quietly building an entire new house for you around the back. All of this is already in motion, but there is one specific reaction that can delay all of this from manifesting. Before I give you the specific tool to navigate this, and before we do the final activation, because we will do that, there is one more thing I need to reveal. It is the single biggest trap chosen ones fall into right at the finish line. And knowing this changes everything. That reaction, that trap, is the sudden urge to force an outcome. It is impatience. It is the desperate attempt to kick down a door that the universe is currently taking its time to gently unlock for you. Let us look at why we do this. Why do we try to force results when our higher self knows we should simply trust the timing? It is not because you are greedy. It is because you are afraid. You have a deep-seated fear that if you do not manage every single detail of your existence, the universe will simply forget about you. You are afraid that if you let go of the steering wheel for even a second, your entire life will crash. Listen to me very carefully. Your need to control the outcome is not a sign of strength. It is a trauma response from a past where no one caught you when you fell. You had to control everything because for a very long time, you were the only one you could depend on. You had to be the architect of your own survival. But you are not in that survival season anymore. The divine is catching you now. You do not have to micromanage your own blessings. If your spirit feels the relief in those words, type "I release control" in the comments to surrender your timeline today. Let that be your digital declaration of trust. Now that you have released the heavy burden of control, let me give you the exact framework to stay aligned and the tool to recalibrate your mind. I call this the Active Surrender Protocol. It is a simple 3-step framework to help you navigate the intense urge to force a result. Step 1 is the 24-hour pause. Whenever you feel that sudden burning desire to force an outcome, whether it is sending an anxious text message, writing a rushed email, or making a drastic decision because you feel left behind, you must impose a mandatory 24-hour delay. You do nothing for one full day. Step 2 is the frequency audit. During those 24 hours, you sit still and ask yourself one brutally honest question. Is this action coming from deep faith, or is it coming from deep fear? Am I acting because I trust the vision, or am I acting because I am terrified the universe has forgotten me? Step 3 is the Kava declaration. When you identify the fear, you consciously shift your energy from panic to binding with the universe. You declare that you are allowing the divine to weave the threads of your destiny instead of trying to tie the knots yourself. Dr. Lake, whose research forms the foundation of what we are discussing, often notes in his system, particularly when outlining the youthful brain concepts, that anxiety physically blocks the neural pathways of intuition. When you force things out of panic, you literally shut down your ability to receive divine guidance. Let me pause for a moment and put this in plain words, because I want you to walk away from this message with something solid. You have felt a lot of emotional depth today, but you need a rational anchor to hold on to. Here is what you now know. Your waiting season is not a delay. It is a biological and spiritual restructuring. The tool I just gave you, the Active Surrender Protocol, gives you a specific 24-hour buffer to prevent your own trauma responses from destroying your divine timing. It stops you from sabotaging the very thing you have been praying for. And the identity piece that connects all of this together. You are the cycle breaker. You are the one strong enough to hold the frequency of faith when there is absolutely no external evidence to support it. The peer-reviewed data from institutions like Princeton and MIT has documented exactly why maintaining this faith is so hard. As we age, our brains naturally lose the ability to generate gamma waves, the frequency responsible for deep intuition, profound peace, and the state of flow. Scientists call this the decline effect. Remember 20 minutes ago when I first mentioned the Genius song? Now, it is time to walk through exactly what this restoration tool does. I would never disrespect your financial situation. I know how heavy provision can feel right now, but look at what this replaces. Let me tell you the full story of what the Genius Song does. Instead of paying $15 a month for meditation apps that only scratch the surface, or spending $150 a session for clinical therapy that does not target your gamma frequency, Dr. Lake compressed his life's work into a 7-minute audio track. The original price is $49, but for you right now, it is available for a one-time payment of $39, and that includes 4 specific bonuses worth $80 in total. You have 90 days to try it. If you do not feel the shift, if your mind does not feel lighter, you simply send an email to get a full refund, and you keep all the bonuses as an apology for your time. Every single day your gamma frequency remains asleep is another day you are fighting against the current. You are trying to navigate your destiny with a brain that is locked in survival mode. The cost of waiting is not just time. It is the profound peace you are missing right now. Take one breath right now. Do not decide based on $39. Decide based on who you are becoming. If your spirit knows this is the key, the door is open. There are many counterfeit tracks out there using the same name, but they do not contain the actual brain entrainment technology. The only place to get the authentic track, the bonuses, and the guarantee is through the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Only go there if you feel led. Now, wherever you are, you do not need to move your physical body. In your mind, I want you to stand up. Look back at the timeline of your life. See the heavy bags of impatience and control you have been carrying for years. See the exhaustion of trying to force every outcome. I want you to mentally drop them right now. Feel the shift in the room as that weight leaves your shoulders. Thank you for the strength it took to carry that weight for so long, but it is time to lay it down. Take one breath and release the illusion of control. You are the bridge. You are the pioneer. Everything is aligning in the unseen realm. It is all coming together perfectly, and I am ready, and so it is. Type "I am ready" with the force of a lion in the comments. Stay connected to this space for continued revelation as you step into your new season. The link is in the description for the tool when you are ready to take that step. And if someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has been unusually quiet lately, someone who is struggling with feeling left behind right now, send this to them. This is their confirmation.